Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Sir Zafian. My name is Hanila Suriani Binti Harun. My metric number is 2029-55393 and my other group members Amal Syuhada Binti Ahmad 2029-90559, Siti Amira Syafika Binti Sheikh Amran 2020-333-705, and lastly Eardiana Elisa Binti Mohd Zameri 2020-984-447. We are from D1IM1104A. Today, we would love to share our recommendation on PC proposal for Nawal. A computer is a vital element of a student's academic achievement. A computer, whether a laptop or a PC, provides a unique platform for obtaining the most up-to-date information and analyzing the use of that information for education activities, just like Nawal. Nawal is a new student at University Technology Mara, UITM. She wants to purchase a new computer for her studies. She will do her assignments on the computer, implementing utility software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Access. Aside from that, she needs utility programming software such as VB.NET and C++. Authoring software such as Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Director, and the computer must be capable of supporting huge graphics for gaming and a great sound system for watching movies on CDs or DVDs. She also needs a lot of storage space for her files.
So, for the motherboard, we choose the types of Astrod H510M. So, it's designed to accommodate 10 and 11 generation Intel processor on socket LGA1200. So, it can allow the assembly of an ultra-compact configurations capable of performing the all tasks such as for gaming, streaming, intensive multitasking, or multimedia creation. So, this motherboard also can provide the best throughout performance, lower central processing unit, which is CPU utilization that can enhance the stability and deliver ultimate network experience to the user. Alright, next for the specification of Astrod H510M. So, firstly is can support 10 gel intercore processor. Secondly, can support 11 gen intercore processor for the LGA1200. Thirdly, have 5 power pace design. And lastly, can support Intel Turbo Boost Max 3.0 technologies. Alright, next for the specification of Astrod H510 is have dual channel DDR4 memory technology. Secondly, have 2 DDR4 DIMM slot. Thirdly, can support DDR4 3200 for the OC. And then can support ECCU DIMM memory module and maximum capacity of system memory, which is 64 gigabytes. Alright, next for the Astrod H510M also have the 128 MB AMI UEFI Lego BIOS with multilingual quiz support. And then it also have a CPU core or cache for the CPU. And then also have the Volta multi adjustment. And then lastly, for the specification of Astrod H510M is have the Microsoft Windows 10 for the 64 bytes and 11 for 64 bytes in the operating systems.
What is a computer case? A computer case, also known as a computer cases, tower, system unit, or cabinet, is the enclosure that contains most of the components of a personal computer, usually excluding the display, keyboard, and mouse. So why do we choose Segway Tape Gang 5 and how does it perform? The first step in the part selection is choosing the right computer case for the desktop. There are various methods and things to take into consideration when choosing the right computer case. Segotip Gang 5 is a kind of ATX mid-tower. It has 3 color options which are black, white and pink. The case material used is SPCC. It comes with no power supply, and this computer case has the motherboard compatibility with the micro ATX and also ITX. It also comes with side windows that make the design looking simple yet slick. Moreover, it also has the front panel ports which can connect via USB 2.0, USB 3.0 and audio. The price for Segotip Gang 5 is 169. What is Intel Core i5-10400F? The Intel Core i5 is a mid-range processor for desktops with 6 cores based on the Comet Lake architecture, CML as 4th generation of Skylake. The processor clocks at between 2.9 and 4.3 GHz and can execute up to 12 threads simultaneously thanks to hyper-threading. So why do we choose Intel Core i5 and how does it perform? The Core i5 is a hexa-core from Intel belonging to the brand's 10th generation of desktop processors. In addition to the 6 physical cores, the CPU features hyper-threading technology which doubles the number of available threads. According to Intel, the chip can run at speeds between 2.9 GHz and 4.3 GHz in turbo. In terms of internal memory, the Core i5 comes with 12 MB of L3 cache. As for RAM, the Core i5 can handle up to 128 GB of standard DDR4 and 2666 MHz in dual channel. Belonging to the F series of desktop processors, the model lacks an integrated video card, requiring the purchase of a GPU on the side. Thanks to the high clock speeds and possible TDP settings with most mainboards, the Core i5 offers a good gaming performance, and thanks to the 6 cores, also a good application performance. In any case, 65 watts is not much. High-end processors run on almost twice that. Since it shouldn't get that hot, the i5 can be cooled with a standard cooler without much effort and noise. The CPUs with an F suffix do not feature an integrated graphics adapter. The Intel UHD Graphics 630i GPU is deactivated, for example, to use chips with defective GPUs and cannot be used in the i5. The price for this processor is 800. What is RAM? RAM, random access memory, is one of the most crucial factors in affecting the performance of the system. RAM provides a temporary storage location for apps to store and retrieve data. It saves the information that the computer is currently consuming so that it may be retrieved quickly. So why do we choose XLR8 Gaming Epic X RGB desktop memory, and how does it perform? We suggest now to use this desktop memory. It is because a PNY XLR8 Gaming Epic X RGB memory upgrade combines a mesmerizing RGB aesthetic with intense overclock performance, allowing Nawal to blast her PC to its limit. She can not only demolish the competition, but she can also make the system appear great while doing so. The premium XLR8 modules from PNY combine top-tier components and select ICs for aggressive performance, low latency, bulletproof durability, and the extreme overclocking capabilities that hardcore gamers desire. Moreover, overclocking with Intel's XMP compatibility makes it easier to overclock. In addition, utilizing supported SS Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light Sync, and ASRock Polychrome Sync software, Nawal may customize her PC's coloration and lighting effects without the need for extra connections or connectors. Aside from that, PNY's premium XLR8 memory has the fastest speeds, the greatest bandwidth, the lowest latency and power consumption, and the most sophisticated thermal performance for optimal PC stability and responsiveness during memory-intensive gaming and application usage. PNY XLR8 DDR4 RAM modules have been meticulously designed and tested to provide top performance in even the most demanding gaming setups. The price for this XLR8 Gaming Epic X RGB desktop memory is 350 ringgit. What is a graphic card? A graphic card is a piece of hardware that is used to expand a computer's video memory and improve its display quality. It increases the computer's power and allows it to do more high-level tasks. The quality of the picture is determined by the graphic card. It is vital for gaming and video editing on a PC. So why do we choose colorful GeForce GTX 1660 Super NVNGV, and how does it perform? Eye-catching color, which is red, black design, and well-selected armor material. When it comes to memory, the graphic card carries its own memory. We suggest a 6 GB of memory. More RAM equals higher resolutions, more colors on the screen, and the best special effects. The discrete graphics card is not only for gamers, but those who use high-end video editing software also get help as high quality image and also give a high definition environment. It is best for Amal because she also utilizes authoring software such as Adobe Premiere, Dreamweaver, and Adobe Director. Last but not least, connection. The graphic card is connected to the monitor using many different ports, but the port must be present on both the monitor and the graphic card. DP, HDMI, and DVI are the ports used to connect a graphic card with a monitor. So how much does it cost? The price for the graphic card chosen is 2,000 ringgit Malaysia. What is hard disk? Hard disk, also called a hard disk drive (HDD), is a non-volatile memory hardware device. Hard disk work is to permanently store and retrieve computer data. They are called a non-volatile device, which can store any type of data in the computer for a long time. That is, the computer keeps the data safe even after the power off. Hard disk is also called a secondary storage device. It exists inside a computer case CPU and is connected to the computer motherboard using data cables, PATA, SCSI, and SATA. So why do we choose Barracuda 4TB HDD, and how does it perform? SATA, Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. In most of today's computers and laptops, you will find this type of hard disk. The data transfer rate of SATA hard disk is higher than a PATA drive. Its speed can be from 150 megabytes to 600 megabytes. SATA cables are very thin and flexible, which is much better than a PATA cables. It is better than the old hard disk drive in many ways. In addition, the storage capacity for the suggested HDD is 4TB, very adequate for students like Nawal. So how much does it cost? The price for the HDD chosen is 300. What is solid state drive? The full form of SSD is solid state drive. You can also call it a replacement for an HDD. In this, a flash memory is used to store data, and SSD is stronger than an electromechanical drive. Therefore, it is also called a solid state device. The access time for this type of drive is very long. It does not sound like the rest of the hard disk and runs without interruption. So why do we choose Gigabyte M.2 PCIe SSD, and how does it perform? It is much smaller in size than a hard disk drive, so it occupies less space inside the CPU, and SSD has two major components that make it, which includes a flash controller and NAND flash memory chips. SSD are used in most computers and laptops today. It is a better storage device than an HDD. The total capacity of this SSD is 112 GB, so the price for the SSD chosen is 300 ringgit. So, what is DVD-ROM? A digital versatile disk, a read-only memory or DVD-ROM, is a media storage disk that closely resembles a CD or compact disc. So why do we choose Asus ZenDrive U7M and how does it perform? The Asus ZenDrive U7M is an external DVD writer featuring an ultra-slim 13mm form factor and a Zen-inspired design with a concentric circle hairline finish that adds sophisticated aesthetic to any computer setup. This technology engraves recorded data into a patented rock-like layer that is resistant to extreme conditions, allowing you to save your lifetime memories and important data for years. Not only that, the Asus ZenDrive U7M has an ultra-slim 13mm form factor, making them the perfect companions for now to use. Moreover, the Asus ZenDrive U7M provides a complete, easy-to-use backup solution. Intuitive bundled software called Narrow Backup simplifies the disk burning process and offers optional encryption functionality to protect your private files. The Asus ZenDrive U7M also comes with an online backup solution for smartphone and tablets. Together, these powerful functions protect Noah's information and minimize the risk of data loss that give her peace of mind. This DVD-ROM also Windows and Mac OS compatible, and it comes with free unlimited access web storage for 12 months. So how much does it cost? The price for this DVD-ROM is 128.
Utility software. Microsoft Office Suite, commonly known as a Microsoft Office or simply Office, is a set of productivity tools used by business around the world. Microsoft Office is productivity applications include but are not limited to a word processor, a spreadsheet, an email client, a calendar, and a presentation application. Microsoft 365 cloud-based structure. The suite of the productivity application is constantly being updated and improved. Microsoft Office is the latest Office apps like the Word, the Excel, the PowerPoint, the Outlook, and so on. The system requirement for Microsoft 365 is the CPU has a 1 GHz or faster, and the memory is 2 GB RAM, and the hard drive is a 3 GB of available space, and the connectivity is the internet connection. Microsoft 365 personnel they have 1 TB of cloud storage and advanced security for all your devices. Microsoft Office is subscription for Rm 269 per year. Utility software for Windows 11. Windows 11 comes with drag look of the new feature, and then Windows 11 has a easy to use tool, and we supply the design and user experience to empower your productivity and inspire your creativity. Is modern, is fresh and clean and beautiful. And then Windows 11 is to not only be optimized for speed and efficiency, but to take advantage of improved experience with touch, inking, and voice. And the processor of Windows 11 is 1 GHz or faster. Windows 11 will be available through a free upgrade for eligible Windows 10 PC and on new PC beginning this holiday.
Alright, so for the programming software, firstly is for the VBNet. Okay, VBNet is stand for Visual Basic Net, which is a computer programming language that developed by Microsoft. So, it is an object-oriented programming language that can support the feature of oriented programming. So, the Visual Basic ESP.NET run on the Net framework that have a full access to the net libraries because it is a productive tool for rapid creation of a wide range of web, Windows, Office, and mobile application. So, Visual Basic Net easy to understand for novice and advanced programmer, such as the program written in the language run with reliability and scalability that can create the application in fully object-oriented. So, for the important thing is for the programming software for the VB.NET is free to download for all the user to use it. Alright, for the feature of VBNet is firstly is it is not case sensitive like C plus and Java. Secondly, it is an automatic code formatting that can improve the object browser. Thirdly, is VBNet is an object-oriented programming language, and lastly, it can be a simple multi-routine that can allow our application with multiple tasks in simultaneously. Alright, for the next programming software is C++. Okay, so C++ software is a programming of data-driven video games for desktops, mobile, web, and VR platform. It can integrate common elements like leaderboard and multiplayer functionality into our personal computer. So this software was designed with an orientation towards system programming that can embedded resource-constrained software and large system with performance, efficiency, and flexibility of use such as on desktop application, video games, servers, and performance-critical application. So C++ software can provide the feature of portability that allow us to develop code without caring about the hardware. Okay, next for the feature of C++ software, it's a object-oriented software that capable of high performance computing using high and low level language feature. It's also versatility and interoperability to program desktop and mobile apps, performance critical software, SQL servers, and graphical user interface. So C++ software also can offer performance boosting, refactoring, continuous integration, and porting. And lastly, it has a wide variety of hardware such as IoT, plug-and-play service, peripheral computer elements, or home applications.
Auto-rating software, we have the Adobe Dreamweaver, where the web development tool, and Dreamweaver can help the developers build website for the internet or an internet, letting the developers design, code, and manage website as well as the mobile content. And then the powerful of the Adobe Premiere by the 64-byte GPU optimized Mercury Black playback engine. The Premiere is allowing the editor to cross-platform non-linear editing application to build for modern file-based creative video production. The powerful of the Adobe Premiere by the 64-byte GPU optimized Mercury Black playback engine. The Premiere is allowing the editor to work at HD, 4K, 8K, and beyond the freely missing frame rates and the video formats. And then can use to import video, audio, and graphic, and is used to create the new edited version of the video, which can be exported to the medium and format necessary for distribution. And Premiere is only subscription for RM50 ringgit 90 cent only. And for the Adobe Director, is allow user to build application built on a movie metaphor with the user as the director of the movie, and the support both 2D and 3D and multimedia project, and the Adobe Director is only subscription for free.
Now, we move to input devices, which is keyboard and mouse that we recommend for now one to use, which is keyboard and mouse from Logitech MK295 silent wireless combo, which price 149 ringgit only. Logitech MK295 silent wireless combo featuring silent touch, which is an exclusive Logitech technology that eliminates over 19% of keyboard and mouse noise, that perfect for now one to use, that can ensure she can focus on doing her work or assignment. This keyboard only 498G. With this compact design, it make it easier to bring this combo anywhere. Not only that, this keyboard also provide adjustable keyboard height, which can give user more comfortable. In addition, not only keyboard but mouse also come with silent touch technology and smooth, responsive control that can make sure user comfortable to use and touch. This combo come with USB that you can connect or can only use Wi-Fi. Next, we will move to output devices, which is speaker that we recommend now to use. The first one is speaker from Logitech Compact Stereo Speaker Z120 USB power speaker, which price 55 ringgit only. This speaker provides good sound system to be able watching a movie or any tutorial video, and with their compact design that make it user easy to move from one place to another place. This speaker is very lightweight, which is only 0.25 kg, that make user easier to move from to another place. This speaker also comes with USB cable, so it's easy to set up and can use on other devices too. Second output that we recommend now to use is ViewSonic 24 inches 16Hz Full HD in a Full HD 1920 1080 resolution that can create an available clear pixel by pixel image performance, which priced at only 629 ringgit. It's also suitable for now on to use authoring software such as Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Director, and many more. Because of this monitor is Full HD 1080p, so she can see more clearly. There are a little bit spec and details that I can show, which are resolution type for this monitor is Full HD, that now one can get amazing experience, clarity and detail while working, gaming or enjoying the latest entertainment. And also this monitor comes with flicker free and blue light filter to eliminate eye strain from extended viewing period and ensure that the user can have a comfortable viewing screen. Our next recommendation of output devices is HP Desk Jack in Advantage 2360 all-in-one printer, which affordable price, especially for student like Nawal, which only 139 ringgit. This printer suitable for home and home office usage because of size and its weight, which only 3.4 kg, and it's easy to move from place to another place, so it's perfect printer for student. This printer has 3 functions, which are print, scan and copy, and has several colors, which are black, cyan, magenta and yellow. And the most important is this printer compatible operating system with Windows 10 and 11. Lastly, output number 4 that we recommend Nawal to use is Logitech Hash 110 stereo headset with 48 ringgit only. The reason why we recommend this output is because it's suitable for students like Nawal for everyday use. A reliable stereo headset for daily tasks such as playing video game, watching movie, including video call with family or friends. This headphone comes with cable that 2.35 meter that can make user easier to bring this everywhere without worrying it might break when they put in their bag. This headset is very convenient, which it can be used either on tablet, phone, laptop or personal computer because it comes with dual plug connection, 3.5mm audio jack for microphone in and audio output. This microphone type is bi-directional that can rotate 118 to be worn on the left or right. With flexible mic can be positioned for better voice capture and background noise reduction.
To sum up, we can conclude that the suggested system specification for Nawal meets her needs. Building her own PC makes it easy for casual use like watching movies or using heavy software such as Adobe Premiere and many more. Hence, it is also decent for long-term use. All in all, Nawal's PC setup is a tremendous triumph.